Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the language option right here at the top. Tap on it, it will open the list of languages. You can scroll through, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. I tapped on something by mistake and it will apply the language. I don't know which language it applied. I am not sure what kind of language it is. I think it's Greek, but I might be wrong. Anyway, as you can see, the language changed, and that's how you change the language directly on the watch. But if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use phone application to change the language. And to do it, we're gonna bring the phone that is paired with our watch. Okay, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now, let's tap on the More icon to open the menu. Scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And here select the Forerunner 265 from the list of devices, of course. Now, scroll down, find the system option, tap on it, and here tap on the language. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. And as you can see, you have the pop-up that the language should be updated, and it is. But if it wasn't, just in case, you can always go back to the main page of settings for the watch, this one, and tap on this icon right here to sync the devices together. And then once the devices sync, the settings should apply. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.